Hi, this is Chris Cabot with envisionTECi, and I'm very excited to introduce to you today the VITA cDLM, our newest addition to our desktop line of 3D printers optimized specifically for the dental industry. cDLM stands for Continuous Digital Light Manufacturing, and it is the fastest and most accurate DLP technology available in the dental space today. The VITA cDLM boasts a modest build envelope size of 100 by 56 millimeter and can print our PIC 100C material at blazing fast speeds of 20 millimeters per hour at 25 micron Z resolution. The cDLM technology also offers the user to print parts with minimal support structures, thus drastically reducing the time it takes to post-process these parts. Come visit the cDLM this week at LMT Lab Day when we preview the machine printing 5 partial frameworks in just under 2.5 hours. While you're there, also check out some of our other materials, like our E-model material, which has been optimized for all dental and orthodontic modeling applications, our E-gum material, which can be used as a gingival mask on 3D printed models, as well as our FDA-approved temporary crown material, eDent 400. Seeing you there.